So my friends recently got those electric water guns that shoot really hard and are cool, and I kinda want one. But there's one problem. They are expensive. So I think I'm gonna build my own. So here is what I've got. I've got this old water pistol. It doesn't shoot, but it looks kinda cool. I have a whole air pump system. So this is the air pump. I got it wired up to a switch. And then I've got this 12-volt battery pack I bought from AliExpress, as well as the pump then. So yeah, let's build it. So the idea is simple. We use the air pump to build pressure so it shoots water, and I look awesome, right? First step, we're gonna open it up, and oh, it looks empty. Honestly, it's just empty plastic, kind of disappointing, but perfect for modding. Next, I'm gonna fit this air pump in there or something. Then I run the tubing. So this part is important. We gotta make sure it sits tight, otherwise it's gonna spray water everywhere. So I'm gonna use some hot glue, and a zip tie. Now for the switch. I will fit the switch right out there so I can access it from the outside. Now to the batteries. I think I will put the 12-volt battery around here and hook it up. But first, let's put this together.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
It works. Not bad for some junk parts and imagination. Did I just save like 80 bucks? Yeah. Does it look cursed? Also, yeah. But am I proud? Heck yeah.
If you like this build, hit that like button and subscribe for more weird videos. Let me know in the comments what I could build next. Maybe a part 2 when I 3D print a whole new body and double the power. Okay, see you!